Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share how you can make money with ChatGPT in 2025 using practical and creative ways. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or a small business owner, these ideas can really help you. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and even ad copy. It helps you deliver faster to clients and boost your income potential. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming, drafting, and refining content. Then sell ebooks, guides, or prompt packs on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Create simple AI chatbots for small businesses to handle FAQs or lead generation. You can even build them easily with no-code tools. Develop language practice bots, study aids, or writing improvement tools. Monetize them through subscriptions or premium features. If you're experienced with GPT tools, teach others. Offer workshops, one-on-one coaching, or online courses to help people use AI effectively. Don't rely only on AI, add your creativity. Focus on specific niches like e-commerce, real estate, or local services. And keep exploring new GPT plugins and tools coming out this year. So those were some smart ways to earn from ChatGPT this year. Which idea do you like best? Drop a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.